Hey, it's Ryan from Combat Off-Road. Got our battle ready max flow inner fender for the Jeep JL, part number 25-1266. Got some cool stuff: 6063 aluminum, high UV low powder coat, stainless steel hardware, removable backing plate. And this particular model is increased heat relief. So if you're living in some high temps or you're going real slow on the trail, you're gonna want these inner fenders for you. So I was gonna do a quick unbox and then show you what's in it. And then I'm gonna show you one put together so you get an idea what you get. So you got a bunch of panels. Everything's foam package, nice and thick. A couple stickers. You get a box with hardware. So these fit the JL front, so 2018 and up. You get all your mounting tabs. Get all your hardware.
So it's obviously a modular. We'll have full installation video.
So that's going to be your additional heat relief and your removable backing plate. These are removable too. Some people like to pop these off and theme paint them. All our nuts and bolts and hardware are black stainless. There you go. Your two sides. So if you want to take a look over here, I'll just show you. Very similar. Okay, so the biggest differences are obviously the added heat relief to get that engine bay temps out and down when you're going slow. And instead of a larger logo with the removable backing plate, you're gonna have a smaller logo. So they basically fit in the exact same spot. That's the biggest difference. Just get the heat out of the engine bay when you're on the trails going slow. And that's what you get. I'll grab one really quick. So once you put it all together, that's what it's going to look like. And then it's going to install this point, this point, this point, and down here, and that's all you need. So that's our max flow inner fender for the JL 25-1266.